Hey students, Julie here again from Austin Opera, and I'm excited to share a warm-up with you all today that may help as you get higher in your range as you're working on that head voice. So before we do this warm-up, I'd like you to check in with your posture. Are you nice and tall? And are your feet right under your shoulders? Your weight even amongst your toes and your heels? All right, and let's take a few deep breaths. Your ribs should be nice and tall as well. And breathe down low. Nice deep breaths. All right, so getting a nice low, deep, and natural breath will help you as you work through this exercise. So let's try just a few sirens on your own. You may have done these in choir before. Oh, oh, oh. It's almost like a yawn, and it sounds kind of like a siren. Oh. All right, do you feel sort of where your voice goes when you do that? It should be getting into that head voice. Now, this exercise is going to sound a little bit like a siren at first, and then we'll come down on 5 notes. Well, you're using basically an O vowel, and it goes like this. Now, as I go higher and higher, it becomes very important to drop my jaw and keep it relaxed. All right, so as you're doing the exercise, make sure you keep a relaxed jaw, as relaxed as possible, and allow it to drop. Feel that space in the back of your mouth, have space between your back molars. All right, I'm going to let you try the exercise now. Here we go. Now check in with your breath. Are you getting a nice low breath? Are you allowing your jaw to drop gently? Are you getting into that siren place, into that head voice? Get a nice low breath and sing. Couple more. Allow that jaw to really drop. All right, great job everybody. No worries if you didn't go as high as that exercise went. I just added in the upper notes there for the extra high sopranos. So I hope you had a great time with this warm-up. Remember, use that siren sound to find your head voice, and use the O vowel as well, gliding up the octave and coming down 5 notes. All right, everybody, I will see you next time. Have a great day.